Hey there, Kaleidoscope Klan. How's everyone doing? This is Mariposa Art, and I am in the mountains of Brazil. Just really taking it in. Look at that. See those bananas? They came off of the tree here. It is an abundant, magical place here. A real paradise. It has a lot of things in common with Mexico as far as the tropical aspects. It's Mr. Rooster. Hopefully he doesn't bother me. And it has really fed my spirit. Just needed to switch it up as far as coming to a different location. I had spent a good month in the city in Bahia, and so to round it out, now I need nature, Mother Nature. So just wanted to come and actually bring you on one of my walks so you can get a feel for what it's like. So yeah, I want to talk a little bit about how important environment is for our mental health. For our mental health, I've shared this before, but I am extremely sensitive. I'm extremely sensitive to energies. I'm extremely sensitive to my surroundings and people. And so as I've gotten older, I've really recognized how important it is for me to be in very serene, healthy, abundant environments where I have a lot of space. And I'm just sharing this because I know that a lot of people are having a very difficult time right now. The world is different when there are challenges with finances, right? It shifts. And I know that a lot of people are feeling like they're dying, like literally, dying to their old reality, whatever that is. And, the key is to see it as an opportunity, right? Whenever something dies, then you can have a hand in the rebirth. Father and daughter going to school. Bom dia.
Bom dia.
So yes, I would say that, I left America almost 5 years ago now. Bom dia. And in that time, most of the time I've spent in natural environments like this. I left before the pandemic, as I had gone through a very traumatizing experience with my family, with my community overall. I was very disillusioned, where really and truthfully I would say that I lost everything of value to me. And it was a real moment of truth for me because I had a choice. I could have chosen to give up, lost my mind, gone, I don't know, whatever giving up looks like for people. I mean, for me, it was never an option because I love myself and I believe in my purpose, and I believe, I know. I've always known that I have a purpose. I feel my purpose in this world. And so, you know, I have passion for life. I have passion for what every day can bring me. So in my dark moment, you know, going through the dark night of the soul, or whatever people want to call it, I had to make some serious decisions about how I was going to find happiness in my existence again. And let me say, I've always been able to find happiness in little things. So that's what got me over. Look at this. Those mountains. Aren't they beautiful? So, yeah, what it took me back to was a question that I remember Tony Robbins asking, positing is good to ask yourself when things are like the worst, right? And that question is, what's wonderful about this? Okay? So in your very lowest moment, you know, you're trying to figure out what to do. So the key through the law of attraction is what I realized is I could find good things in the situation that I could build off of, right? It's like if something collapses in your life, the blessing is that you have the space, the energy to rebuild, right? Or like if you lose something, then there are more possibilities about what you can gain now. So that was my key to get into the tunnel so I could see the light at the end of the tunnel. That was my key, was that one question. What is great about this? And if you're honest with yourself and you're willing to do some work, you will find answers. If you're humble and you work in partnership with Spirit, all answers are available through Spirit. So this is a message to anyone who's at that place. Now is the time to stop. Prioritize yourself. Let things fall. Take care of yourself, your person, because you are a godly vehicle on this earth. And you matter. Keep this godly vehicle going. And figure it out, because you're worth it. So, that is my message for this morning, channeling from the gorgeous mountains of Brazil. This is Mariposa. And I want to remind you to continue to embody the sacred transformation. Peace. Happy meditations.